Are you tired of feeling stuck in the cycle of quick fixes and health trends that never seem to last? Well, you're not alone. The good news is there's a better way, one that works with your body, not against it. Let's talk about how to take control of your health and build a foundation for long-term wellness through sustainable, simple support. This isn't about the next big health fad or overnight results. It's about creating real, lasting benefits by supporting your body gently and intentionally. Setting intention isn't about making drastic changes overnight. It's about small, meaningful steps. For example, maybe your intention is to feel more energized, to improve your digestion, or simply support your body's natural ability to detoxify. Whatever it is, starting with intention is key. We live in a world full of quick fixes and flashy promises. Lose weight fast, boost your energy overnight, cleanse your body in 24 hours. While these might sound appealing, they don't address what your body really needs, and often they leave you feeling worse in the long run. Foundational wellness shifts that narrative. It's about giving your body the gentle, consistent support it needs to thrive. Over time, this approach builds a strong foundation for better energy, digestion, and overall health. So what does simple support look like? It starts with understanding and supporting your body's natural processes. For example, aiding your drainage pathways, including the colon, liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system, so your body can remove toxins more effectively. Nourishing your gut microbiome for better digestion and immune health, or boosting your cellular energy by focusing on mitochondrial support. Simple support should also include supplements that work alongside your body's natural responses. These can be essential vitamins and minerals, as well as formulations built to enhance your body's ability to function optimally. Drinking more water, eating nutrient-dense foods, and moving your body daily are small actions that, when combined with the right supplements, add up over time, creating a strong foundation for long-term wellness. The beauty of foundational wellness is that it doesn't just fix one issue. It creates a ripple effect. Simple, consistent support can lead to sustained energy, a more balanced gut, improved immune function, and greater overall vitality. Think of your health like a garden. You can't force it to grow overnight, but with care and consistency, it thrives. Foundational wellness is about tending to your body's needs in a way that's both gentle and effective. The journey to lasting wellness starts with you. It's about setting intention, taking simple steps, and trusting the process. Instead of focusing on what you can fix, focus on what you can nurture. Your health isn't out of your control. It's something you can support every day. So here's your challenge. Set one health intention today. Maybe it's feeling more energized, improving your digestion, or simply feeling better in your own skin. Whatever it is, start small and stay consistent. Your body will thank you.